Hello, it's Imran from Car Sound Security East London. Today we've just finished installing a stereo infotainment upgrade on this Bentley GT 2006. So what we've done, you can probably see the stereo is completely changed. There was an original stereo just here with the old climate control controls, etc. Very limited, you'll probably find if you're a Bentley owner, with regards to the navigation. It's completely out of date. Problem with phone connectivity as well. So what we've done is we've taken the old stereo out, which was in this sort of position here, and we replaced it with this new sort of Bentley bezel just here, and relocated the climate controls as well. And what we've done is we've installed a Kenwood DNX 7190 DAB touchscreen stereo in here, which has loads of features which I'll talk through in a moment. But first of all, what we've done is, you've probably seen on the Bentleys, you've got the sort of buttons just down the side here, and a few controls just here. So that's completely relocated now. All the buttons work, you know, how they should. Because all the functionality works perfectly fine. You've got your balance just there as well, your phone, lights, etc. Everything works fine. You've got your climate control just down here as well. So if I just you can see it going up and down. So that's your climate control. Every single button is retained from the, you know, which is relocated. So really good upgrade. And if you look at the new Bentleys, is very similar sort of layout, so it's a really good upgrade. Now moving on to the stereo. So what this customer's got is we've installed a 7-inch Kenwood touchscreen stereo with CD and DVD. So let's start with how it works. So if you press the eject here, you've got different settings, but let's just open it. So you can see that's where you would put your CD just there, or DVD. So for any movies or watch, you know, music on CDs. You've also got an SD slot there, which you install loads of songs on as well. There's a built-in Garmin Navigation on that, which I'll talk through with you as well. It's also got HDMI input. Let's just close that again. So navigation wise, there's your Garmin Navigation. Absolutely fantastic. Covers up to like 45 different European countries as well as UK, and then you've got loads of other features here. Just click back. You can have the opt for the DAB radio as well, standard radio. This gentleman's actually got Spotify on there as well. We've got his phone connected. Disc, as I explained, USB, SD card. The USBs are routed in the armrest basically, so they're just in there, as you can see. So they're neatly tucked away out of the site, you know. And so you can have USB movies, or you can have USB music as well. It's connected to your phone as well. And let's just scroll that. So you've got other options here as well. And again, your Apple CarPlay, this is connected to a phone at the moment, iPhone. So if I just click that, it basically runs like your phone, you know. So it'll give you all your Spotify, it will give you Waze is just there as well, which is a really good navigation operating system. You got your phone just there as well, maps just there. So all the main sort of Apple apps will work on there. It's also compatible with Android Auto as well. All your stereo controls, so your volume, your phone, your voice, your volume, and your select, all works in conjunction, so you don't lose any features as well. This customer's actually had a reversing camera fitted as well, so if I just pop it in reverse, you can see the camera come up. So that's all fully integrated into there as well. A really good upgrade for Bentleys up until 2010, I believe. We're doing absolutely huge amounts. Really does add to the driving experience of a Bentley, you know. And so yeah, everything you need. So if you're interested in getting something like this done, either on your Bentley, if you're a Bentley owner, or you've got another vehicle, we do all various types of upgrades on all types of different various vehicles, as well as security. Get in contact with us on the details below, and thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.